All right, guys, in this video, we're going to have a brief discussion about FXC Trading Bot and basically trading bots in general and people that teach you how to trade. This video may end up saving you a lot of time and money, so let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, this morning I want to drop a quick video because we received a message from Eddie in our TG. This is a public group that anybody can access, so I guess it'll be okay to go ahead and discuss what has been talked about here. But Eddie, shout out to you, my brother, is calling out some system that he was scammed in, and it is a trading bot. He said he lost 417 USDT on a crypto trading bot. The influencer convinced him over a year to believe in them, and it seemed too good to be true, but he was greedy and fell for the scam, and he gives the link to the platform here. All right, guys, so one thing I want to do is give you guys some common knowledge so that you don't fall into these scams. Now, it's not just FXC here. Understand this, guys, and let this resonate in your mind because this is key. Anybody that's able to create software that produces returns for them on a consistent basis, stop and think about it, guys. They can just run the software themselves and make an infinite amount of profits. Think about this, okay? Their money comes from selling their software to you. That's how they get paid. They don't care if you win or lose. 9 times out of 10, you're going to lose money with their systems because they themselves cannot sustain profitability with their systems. Okay? Let this sink in and resonate with you guys. Okay? So, anytime someone is trying to sell you a bot to do trading, walk away, save your money, don't waste it. Okay? Also, I go so far as to say that people that teach you how to trade cryptocurrencies, do not waste your money on them. Okay, learn for yourself. There is a lot of content online that you can access, and one of the resources that comes to you for free that I've seen, and I started this back in 2017, is Tone Vase. If you do a search on Tone Vase and look at his website here, go to his website quickly if you want to learn trading, and there's a link that says learn trading. Okay, this is an excellent resource that you can go to begin learning how to trade, and even though it doesn't look like a lot, there are a lot of links that teaches you step by step on the basics to get you started in the realm of trading. So trust me, guys, do not waste money on bots. Do not waste money for someone to teach you how to trade, because anybody that's teaching you how to trade, they should be making enough money to offer their teachings and lessons for free. But they're not doing that. They're trying to get paid off of your back. And whether you win or lose is not of their concern. Okay. So I just want you guys to take that, internalize it so that you are a little bit smarter in the game and you don't get burned out of hundreds or thousands of dollars. And he was asking to help report them. These people are typically unknown. And what I was suggesting in here is one of the best things that we can do is expose platforms like this. When we've been scammed, I recommended that we come out, we drop reviews about them on Trustpilot, Reddit, and guys, look at this crypto forum because we do want to build a community to help people become aware of these things before they end up losing money. So Eddie, if you come out to this particular forum here, scam projects, I posted the link out there, and you can begin creating a new topic on this and share your experience. This is how we are going to fight all of these scam projects that are running out there. And I've received numerous thank yous from people that were in elephant money or entertaining elephant money that stopped before they ended up getting wrecked in it. All right, so I just wanted to drop this video out there for you guys real quick, let you know that these resources are out here freely available for you to use. If you don't like posting videos to expose things, this forum is out there, and you can go out there, easily type in your experience, upload videos, upload images, and things like that to share your experience with others. And that way, we can really get the word out on what's legit and what's SHIT. All right. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.